This ingenious technology allows standard network cables such as Ethernet cables like Cat5e or Cat6 to simultaneously carry both data signals and electrical power to connected devices. This eliminates the need for separate power adapters and routers for PoE enabled devices such as voice over IP, IP phones, wireless access points, IP surveillance cameras, and even some low power network switches. Hello and welcome. So in this comprehensive lesson, we will delve deeply into one of the bedrock concepts of modern networking, the crucial role and diverse functions of network components. So whether you are embarking on your networking journey, seeking a more thorough understanding, or diligently preparing for the Cisco Certified Network Associate examination, that is CCNA exam. So grasping these fundamentals is absolutely essential. This is where the intricate and fascinating world of network infrastructure truly begins to unfold. Now let's turn to routers. Let's commence our exploration with routers, often considered the intelligent directors of networking traffic or network traffic. All right, so we can visualize a router as a highly skilled traffic officer stationed at an extremely busy and complex intersection, meticulously managing the flow of vehicles. In the realm of networking, a router serves as the pivotal link connecting disparate networks. For instance, seamlessly bridging your local home network to the vast expanse, managing the flow of vehicles. In the realm of networking, a router serves as the pivotal link connecting disparate networks. For instance, seamlessly bridging your local home network to the vast expanse of the digital internet. And its primary responsibility is to analyze incoming data packets and intelligently determine the most efficient and optimal path for that data to travel to its intended destination. So to accomplish this crucial task, routers rely on Internet Protocol, that is IP addresses, which act as unique identifiers for devices on a network, and sophisticated routing tables. These tables are dynamic repositories of network pathways, constantly updated to reflect the current topology and conditions of the interconnected networks. So by consulting these routing tables and examining the destination IP addresses of each packet, the router makes informed forwarding decisions, ensuring your data information navigates the network landscape effectively and reaches its intended recipient without undue delay or loss. Take note. So this is a bit about routers. Now let's look at layer 2 and layer 3 switches. Now let's shift our focus to switches. That's another indispensable component in networking infrastructure. We will differentiate between two key types. That's layer 2 switches and layer 3 switches. A layer 2 switch operates at the data link layer of the OSI model. Its primary function is to facilitate communication within a single network segment or local area network LAN. Now, layer 2 switches achieve this by learning and maintaining a table of media access control, that's the MAC addresses, associated with the devices connected to their physical ports. When a data frame arrives at a port, the switch examines the destination MAC address and swiftly forwards the frame only to the port where that specific MAC address has been learned. So this intelligent forwarding, okay, let me take it again. This intelligent forwarding mechanism significantly enhances network efficiency by preventing unnecessary broadcast traffic within the LAN. Conversely, a layer 3 switch represents a more advanced networking device. While it retains all the functionalities of a layer 2 switch in terms of intra-LAN communication using MAC addresses, it possesses the added capability of performing routing tasks It possesses the added capability of performing routing tasks, traditionally the exclusive domain of routers. A layer 3 switch operates at the network layer, that's layer 3, of the OSI model and can understand and process IP addresses. Now, this hybrid nature makes layer 3 switches incredibly valuable for larger and more complex networks that demand both high-speed switching within network segments and efficient routing between different subnets or VLANs, that's the virtual local area networks. They offer a compelling combination of speed and segmentation capabilities, streamlining network design and improving overall performance in environments where the need for both layer 2 and basic layer 3 functionality is prevalent. Now let's look at the next generation firewalls and IPS. In today's increasingly interconnected and threat-laden digital landscape, security is paramount. This is where next generation firewalls and intrusion prevention systems, the IPS, play a crucial and ever evolving role in networking industry. Traditional firewalls, operate by examining network traffic based on predefined rules such as source and destination IP addresses and port numbers. So network generation firewalls build upon this foundation by incorporating more advanced features, including deep packet inspection, you know, application awareness and integration with threat intelligence feeds. So this allows them to analyze the actual content of network traffic and make more granular security decisions based on the specific applications being used. So complementing the capabilities of next generation firewalls are intrusion prevention systems, the IPS. While firewalls act as gatekeepers, controlling access based on rules, and IPS actively monitors network traffic streams for malicious activities and known security vulnerabilities. This goes beyond simply detecting threats. And IPS has the ability to take proactive measures for dropping malicious packets and then terminating suspicious connections and even alerting administrators to potential security breaches in real time. The integration of next generation firewalls and IPS creates a robust and intelligent security posture, providing comprehensive protection against a wide range of cyber threats and ensuring the integrity and availability of network resources. So, moving to the next slide, we are going to look at the access point. An access point serves as the crucial bridge that enables wireless devices to seamlessly connect to an underlying wired network infrastructure. Envision yourself as a local cafe effortlessly browsing the internet on your laptop or smartphone through Wi-Fi or via Wi-Fi. The device facilitating this wireless connectivity is the access point. It essentially extends the reach of the wired network by broadcasting a wireless signal, allowing devices equipped with Wi-Fi capabilities to join the network without the need for physical cable connections. Now, access points play a vital role in providing network access in a wide variety of environments, including homes, offices, public spaces, and educational institutions, offering flexibility and convenience for users who need to stay connected on the move. You get it. Now we can look at controllers, Cisco DNA Center and Wireless LAN Controller, WLC. So as network deployments growing in size and complexity, managing individual network devices manually becomes increasingly cumbersome and inefficient. So this is where controllers come into play, offering centralized management and automation capabilities. So in a large enterprise networks, tools like Cisco DNA Center and Wireless LAN Controllers, WLC, are indispensable. Do you get it? All right, so a wireless LAN controller, WLC, is specifically designed to manage and control a large number of wireless access points, which provides a single point of configuration, monitoring, and troubleshooting for the entire wireless network. simplifying tasks such as deploying new access points, managing security policies, and optimizing wireless performance. So Cisco DNA Center represents a more comprehensive network management. All right, it provides more comprehensive network management platform that extends beyond just wireless networks, and it also provides a centralized dashboard for managing various network devices, including switches and routers, offering automation, analytics, and insight into network health and performance. These controller platforms significantly reduce the administrative overhead associated with managing large-scale networks, enabling the network administrators to efficiently deploy, monitor, and maintain the network infrastructure, ultimately improving network reliability and agility. Now let's look at the endpoint. So, endpoint represents the diverse array of devices that we as users interact with on a daily basis. This category encompasses a wide range of equipment, including laptops, your smartphones, tablets, desktop computers, printers, and even increasingly sophisticated smart home devices like your smart TVs and security cameras at home. Endpoints reside at the very edge of the network and serve as the ultimate source or destination for communication. They are the points at which users access network resources, send and receive data, and interact with applications and services hosted on the network. The security and management of endpoints are critical. Mm. So the security and the management of endpoints are critical consideration in any network environment, as they often serve as potential entry point for security. Now let's look at servers. So servers are powerful. They are high performance computer systems that are specifically designed to provide services and resources to other devices. We can call them clients on a network. They act as central hubs that host and manage various critical functions, such as web hosting, that is making website accessible over the internet, and then file storage, that is providing centralized location for strong and sharing data. Okay, also email services, that is managing the sending and receiving of electronic mail, and then application hosting, that is running software application that can be accessed by multiple users, and database management, that is storing and managing large volumes of data. In essence, servers form the very backbone of any modern network, ensuring that essential applications, data, and services are readily available and accessible to users across the network. Now let's look at PoE, that's power over Ethernet. Last but certainly not the least, in terms of convenience and efficiency, is power over Ethernet, commonly abbreviated as PoE, with capital P, small o, and an E, capital. This ingenious technology allows standard network cables, such as Ethernet cables like Cat5e or Cat6, to simultaneously carry both data signals and electrical power to connected devices. This eliminates the need for separate power adapters and routers for PoE enabled devices such as voice over IP, IP phones, wireless access points, IP surveillance cameras, and even some low power network switches available. The benefits of PoE are numerous. You know, it simplifies installation by reducing the number of cables required. That's one benefit, and also enhances flexibility in device placement, as you are not restricted by the availability of power outlets, and it can improve overall network through centralized power management. So PoE is an incredibly practical and increasingly prevalent technology that contributes to cleaner, more efficient, and more adaptable network deployments. So now let's look at the final slide. And that concludes our in-depth exploration of fundamental network components. That's from the intelligent routing decisions made by routers to the essential services provided by servers and the convenient power delivery of PoE. Each component we've discussed plays an absolutely critical and interconnected role in ensuring that modern networks function smoothly, efficiently, and securely. So remember that a solid understanding of these building blocks is the foundation upon which more advanced networking concepts are built. All right, so continue your studies diligently and practice your knowledge. And also, you will undoubtedly understand or master these principles in no time. We look forward to seeing you in our next lesson, where we will continue to unravel the fascinating world of networking. All right, so the name still remains Okran. If you have followed us this far, try as much as possible to subscribe so that we can give you more videos like this. Thank you.